No one wants to watch this video. I look terrified. So we both super love Halloween. Halloween's our favorite holiday. So this year we're gonna do a couples photo, and we're gonna do something inspired by American Gothic, like this photo right here. We were gonna go to Salvation Army, but they're closed, as you saw. It did not open for us. So we're gonna go to Walmart, Costume Castle, get some things, put them together, find a location, make it happen, and take a super evil photo. Yes. Okay, we're gonna start at the outlets in San Clemente, and they've got I believe a Costume Castle type place.
Like and subscribe to our channel.
We got candy and we got blood. Good stuff. So now we're gonna go see if we can find, I don't know, some more stuff. Try to make this costume come together so we can make this photo happen. Oreo. I don't know what is going on with this thing. No. Oreo. Let's go. That's locked.
We went to Salvation Army, we went to Walmart, and we went to a costume store, and none of them worked. So what we decided to do is try to find whatever's in our closet and make our little farmer costume based on that. And we're gonna try to figure out what we can make out of just what we already have.
So we're gonna start with this right here. This is the face powder. I don't know, white face powder. So let's try this. See how this goes. As you can tell, I watched a lot of videos on how to do this before we decided to. So you just put it all over you. You just gotta get some on there.
You gotta blend, babe.
Even it out, and you look totally normal.
It's a little harder than I thought.
It's hard, right? To get it on there.
Well, I'm so used to trying to blend, you know, and this is the opposite of that.
It's like, just like tons of it on you. Mine came out pretty good though, like I look terrifyingly white. Just wanted to pale it up a bit. Now we're gonna I'm gonna add some darkness and some blood and stuff and just make myself just look a little creepier than normal. I'm gonna use this stuff. This is some face paint I bought on Amazon like a year or two ago, and we're gonna try to see if I can use a little bit of this black in here to like go under my eyes and stuff. I have no idea if this is gonna work. That's all right, let's try it. You know, you gotta get that smoky eye. No one wants to watch this video. I look terrified. We drove out into like the middle of nowhere. Hair's all insane. I love it. It's a windy. I hope this audio is okay, but we're gonna try to get some cool photos here. There's some like logs and stuff and some stuff we can use as props, but we're just gonna try to make this Halloween photo happen in the middle of a weird industrial park. So here goes nothing. So that is it. We got the shot, I think. We're gonna go home, take a look at everything and make sure we got it. But Amy's loading up the car right now. We look like insane people with fake blood on our hands and stuff. But I think it was fun. It was fun just to do something totally different and try to do like a little photo shoot based around Halloween, or, you know.
All I wanted was a cute Halloween picture.
All she wanted was a pumpkin patch photo.
And here we are.
So I promise we'll do the pumpkin patch another day. So there you go, Halloween portrait. Here it is now.